Kedo ne ratich jopuonj KUPPET dwani od bura mamalo mondo oket omenda moromo ne duol mochung'ne ndiko jopuonj TSC mar medo jopuonj lemo. KUPPET ywak ni chenro mar medo jopuonj lemo e pacho ka ok osebedo kadhi makare kaluwore gi nok mar omenda ma od bura keto thenge ne duol mar TSC mondo medgo jopuonj lemo. Jakeno mar KUPPET bade ma kaunti ma Makueni Cosmas Muteti owacho ni nitiere jokanyo magi moko mosekwame rang'iny mar tich achiel ma gintiere kuom maloyo higni 10 kapok omedgi lemo. Jokanyogo eko mag KUPPET mawuok e kauntis mopogore mane lose ka chung' od bura ma Kasipul e kaunti ma Homa Bay osejo od bura kuom walo thenge omenda mathoth ne chenro mamoko kamago moting'o weche mag jopuonj to ok giketie maino.
More funds to this so that we can see teachers who have been stagnated in various job groups for more than even 10 years. They can be moving upward in the profession, and they move to the next grade. So we actually want to request the government through our MPs so that they can add more resources to TSC. And also teachers are also surprised because when these promotions were out, it was not clear who had been promoted because the teachers who were promoted were not actually advertised on with their names, the schools where they come from.
Right now, 18 billion was allocated for foreign trips. If 8 billion was allocated for teachers' promotion, we would have our teachers happy. So let our MPs do their part of the game of legislating and ensuring that they appropriate enough money for promotion of teachers.
I'll appreciate that teachers should now school their MPs so that when this bill comes to what is called public participation and it's taken later to Parliament, the MPs know actually what they are voting for. But if there's anything that will go against the teaching fraternity or the welfare of the teachers, we will not support it in any way.